Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using a recommendation and I was asked to try the new formula from Garnier. This is the Nutrisse Ultra Color in the shade Dark Intense Indigo, and they have a new color bond technology. So I have such a love-hate relationship with Garnier. I love their wide range from dark to light of all the colors. Like, they're all so beautiful. But I absolutely hate that it's not meant for gray coverage at all. Nothing from their brand is gray coverage. And it's very disappointing because these colors are so beautiful and there's so many. And I've tried many of their browns. I had one that was my absolute favorite. It was like a dark, cool brown. And it was my favorite, but these colors don't stick in my hair. So I've really just ended up ditching Garnier altogether unless it's for review purposes only, but it washes right out. It's not worth the $10 for me. So when I heard that it was revamped, they revamped their formula, I was like, maybe it will work. Maybe it will stick. And so far, color me impressed because it did cover my whites, and they were so bad that when they washed out from the last color that I had just so many, and I am completely shocked that they are completely covered. It didn't wash off like I thought. I was already preparing myself to recolor my hair probably this weekend because I wanted my hair to be like freshly done for Thanksgiving next week, and I already basically had a backup plan. If this washed out last night when I washed my hair, I was going to color my hair probably Wednesday night so that I was like Thanksgiving ready. But I don't know if I'll have to do that. I mean, I will find out when I wash my hair sometime next week just to see if I do have to color it. But it shouldn't be that bad come Thanksgiving. I'm hoping it's not going to be that bad. But so far, I'm happy. Like, that is a first for me using Garnier, because usually I refuse to use it because it just washes right out. But for it to actually stick in my hair, I'm shocked. I was already dreading taking my hair out of the towel because I knew for a fact that it was going to just be underwhelming. And when I didn't see the white staring back at me, I was like, really? It covered my hair? I was impressed. So not only did this smell amazing, it smelled so good. You don't need ventilation. It smells so fruity, so good. You don't need ventilation. I was like, wow, that smells good. My hair felt really, really soft. It felt really good. The only problem I had with it was after I shampooed, my hair felt like it was really big. I don't know. I just felt like when I was touching it after I shampooed, I felt like maybe it was really dry, and I was just like, oh, great. But once I put my conditioner in, it smoothed it all out, and it made it easier to use or to run my fingers through my hair. And I was just like, oh, good Lord, I really hope that this didn't fry my hair. And it didn't. I was getting worried. I'm like, it was super, super itchy. It was very irritating on my scalp. It itched the whole time. So the whole time I was worried that it was so itchy, hair is gonna fall out, it's making my hair super dry. I just had so many things that I was worried about. And then I also thought it's not even gonna stick to my hair, so I just put my hair through all this trauma, and honestly, none of that happened. Yeah, it is so beautiful. My hair feels good. It's so dark. I don't know if you can pick up the blue. It's not even sunny outside. It is gloomy and rainy, and I can't even show you like in the window in the natural lighting because it's just gonna, you're not gonna be able to see anything. But it's just so dark, and I definitely see the blue. It's not as blue as that, and I don't think you'll ever get that color. I mean, I would love to, but I don't think that will ever happen. But I definitely see that blue when I move my hair. Like, I definitely see it picking up and like the hues moving around. It's definitely beautiful. Like, I see it right here. I see it right here. I see it on the ends. Yeah, I just really hope that it actually sticks to my hair for a decent amount of time, because then maybe that would change my whole like love-hate relationship. Like, I might have a little bit more love for Garnier instead of hate, because I honestly would just redirect everybody away from Garnier. But a lot of people have always been like, but their hair color is so beautiful and it lasts forever in my hair. It doesn't work for me. And I would always be like, no, you could do better. You can always do better. I have better brands that you can use. But a lot of people, and I really wish that they made this gray coverage, because the colors are so stinking beautiful, and like, they smell good, but they don't last. Now, if Garnier can change that to make it last for people like me and anybody out there that has gray or white hair, like, we want this color to last. They're so freaking beautiful, and there's like, they have such a huge amount of color. Like, between Garnier and L'Oreal, they both have more colors to offer versus all these other brands. Now, they can accommodate people like me who have gray and white hairs and make it 100% gray coverage. They'd have a bomb-ass product. But it makes the decision of, that's a beautiful color, but I need 100% coverage. I want something that's going to actually last longer than 2 weeks. I'm going to go with this brand because it lasts months before I have to color it again. Or before my grays come in, I can at least get a month out of it, type thing. So I kind of just weigh those options. Like, is it worth it for this? I spend $10, basically $20 on 2 boxes of hair color for it to just wash down the drain. Or I go and spend maybe a little extra on a basic beautiful blue black for it to last a whole month. Like, kind of got to weigh your options. Like, yeah, I want to use this color. It's beautiful, but it's not going to work for me. But I'm shocked it does. But I really, really wish that they'd kind of accommodate people who want these beautiful colors, but they have grays or whites. Like, they should have a line for us people. But anyways, yeah, I'm super shocked. Sorry about my little tangent about that. I'm just trying to like make a point across that there are a lot of people who have whites and grays and really want these beautiful colors, and we can't achieve them if they're not 100% gray coverage. And I mean, I am super shocked that it did stick on my first wash and it didn't wash out right away like it usually does. And I usually stay away from Garnier because to me, it's always just money down the drain. Yeah. So other than that, like I said, color me impressed. The color is beautiful. The smell is beautiful. It doesn't smell as bad as the last hair color I did. It stuck. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on my Instagram. If you don't follow me already, it's Nina_Gilhousen. And I will let you know how long this actual color stays in my hair, if it survived the first real wash after coloring it, and if it bleeds. I don't sugarcoat anything because, I'm not really a big fan of this, and I'm, even if it's a brand that I absolutely love, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. No one's paying me to talk nicely about a hair color. I have my favorites. Nobody pays me. I just speak my truth. So, because I'm a consumer like you, I want to know, do you really like it? Do you love it? Was it worth it? Is it money down the drain? Like, I want to know that stuff too. So, yeah, if you have any other recommendations, or if like a hair color like this has revamped and you know about it and I don't, let me know in either the comments below, or you could just DM me. And I love when you guys show me pictures of the ones you want me to try, so that I actually know what I'm looking for if I have not tried it. So yes, I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.